Deployment strategies compared. 3 approaches and the trade-offs you sign up for. Blue-green, Canary, and rolling. Each trades speed for safety differently. Blue-green runs 2 identical environments. Deploy to green, test it, flip DNS. Users switch instantly. Rollback, flipback. The catch, database migrations. Schema changes can't be unmigrated with DNS. Plus you pay for double the infrastructure. Canary sends 5% of real traffic to the new version. Real users, real data, real edge cases. Watch metrics, then promote. Without observability, you're flying blind. You need automated metric comparison and auto rollback when thresholds breach. Rolling is the Kubernetes default. Swap pods one by one. Wait for health checks. No extra infrastructure needed. The problem: mixed versions during rollout. Some users on V1, some on V2. Rollback is the same slow process in reverse. Start with rolling. Graduate to Canary when incidents cost money. Reserve blue-green for instant rollback. Smart teams mix strategies. Canary for APIs. Rolling for batch jobs. Blue-green for payments. Match strategy to risk. That's deployment thinking. Not which strategy is best, but which fits the risk you carry.